Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out if we can use some household products and some other stuff to remove all the dirt from the exhaust tip. It is really dirty. I suppose it was either cleaned a long time ago or maybe never. Anywho, let's roll.
Tonight we're running on the right track. I know we never gonna look back. Oh, I just wanna have a good time. Call me whatever, 'cause I'm up for anything like that. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like. You're told, but I don't mind even though I lose control. Oh, I just wanna have a good time, so call me whenever, 'cause a night like this, it never gets old. Oh no, we don't wanna do slow-mo, so tonight we just let go. To the beat in the street, every freak out singing like.
Okay, boys and girls, that's that. It became much nicer. What I tried first, it was a grill or oven cleaner. Then I used, well, that one removed some for sure. Then I used a iron fallout remover. That definitely found some iron fallout because the color has turned to purple. Then I used a mild APC, an all-purpose cleaner. Then I used a strong alkaline wheel cleaner. All these ones removed a bit of the dirt. I followed it up with some tar remover. Even that one removed a tiny bit, but I have to say the real difference was made when I started to use the polishing compounds. I used some, like 2 different types of polishing compounds, 2 different brands, but they were both heavy cut, and that was it. That gave the biggest success. What I also used to scrub majority of the dirt off with all these chemicals was like one of these kitchen sponges, the harsher side. And after that, obviously, I used a polishing pad and one of these polishing attachments, drill attachments, to do the inside part. So yeah, obviously it can be done even better than this, but considering how it looked like, it's much better now. And basically that's that. That concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.